All right, so this is our second I do for today. It says I am going to build a large cube with smaller cubes. The cube has one side that is made up of 3 cubes and another side that is made up of 3 cubes. The large cube is 3 cubes tall. How many small cubes do I need to make the large cube? Okay, so again, we're using the same formula. Our formula is volume equals length times width times height. Okay, so they gave us an example here of how to count 1, 2, 3, but we're going to start with our length first. Okay, because it's always easiest just to go right in order. So how long this shape is, remember we count 1, 2, 3, and it also told us that one side is made up of 3 cubes. So this side is made up of 3 cubes. So our length is 3. Next, we're going to count our width, and we have 1, 2, 3, and they numbered them for us. So our width is 3. Next, we're going to count our height and that's how tall it is, and it tells us in the problem how tall this figure is. So there's 1, 2, 3 layers. So it's 3 layers high. And now we have our problem. 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. We bring down the rest of our problem, which is our 3. And now we can multiply 9 times 3. And 9 times 3 is 27. And this is cubic units. Or we could write units to the third power, okay? Please rewatch this video if you have more questions. Oh, one last thing. So another way, again, that you could go ahead and solve this problem is just counting this top layer. So you can count the cubes here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is where we got our 9, because that's one layer or a base of this object. It has 9 cubes in it. And then we can count how high it is. So we have 1, 2, 3 layers. And then do 9 times 3 to get 27 cubic units. Okay. And that formula is called V equals base, because that is the base. That's what one layer is, times height, or B times H. So that's the other formula for volume. Okay, you can count one layer if it's cubes and multiply it by how high it is to find out what volume is. If you have questions, please rewatch this video. And that is it for this I do.